equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on repairing the Thermomix TM5 plate. Today, we will cover everything you need to know to get your appliance back in working order. Let's dive right in. First, gather your tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of tweezers, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any small parts. Begin by unplugging your Thermomix TM5. Safety is paramount, so ensure it is completely disconnected from the power source. Next, remove the base cover by unscrewing the screws located at the back of the unit. Use your Phillips screwdriver for this task. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the cover is off, you will see the internal components. Take a moment to inspect the area around the plate. If you notice any debris or residue, use your soft cloth to clean it gently. This will help prevent any future issues and ensure optimal performance. Now, let's focus on the plate itself. If the plate is damaged or not functioning correctly, it may need to be replaced. Carefully detach the plate by unscrewing the screws that hold it in place. Remember to keep track of these screws as well. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get professional help without any hassle. Our team can provide a professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you know exactly what needs to be done. Once the plate is removed, inspect it for any visible damage. If it's cracked or warped, it's time to replace it. You can find replacement plates online or through your local appliance store. Ensure you choose a genuine Thermomix part for the best results. Before installing the new plate, clean the area where it will sit. This is crucial for ensuring a good seal and preventing any future issues. Use your soft cloth to wipe down the surface thoroughly. Now, take your new plate and align it with the screw holes. Secure it in place by tightening the screws with your Phillips screwdriver. Be careful not to over-tighten, as this can cause damage. After the plate is secured, replace the base cover by aligning it properly and screwing it back into place. Make sure all screws are tightened adequately to avoid any rattling or movement during use. Finally, plug your Thermomix TM5 back in and test the new plate. If everything is functioning correctly, congratulations! You've successfully repaired your appliance. If you encounter any issues, remember we provide a quote before repair, so you'll know what to expect. In summary, repairing the Thermomix TM5 plate involves gathering the right tools, cleaning the internal components, and carefully replacing the plate. If you need assistance at any point, don't hesitate to reach out for our services. We are here to help you every step of the way. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.